can't believe we finally made it to this day. But every day has been a blessing since we met in 2018. When we met, I wasn't looking for anyone. But my heart became open for you, and you slowly peeled back my layers, patiently waiting for me with every passing year.
We know him by many names: Bob, Bobby, Bobbert, Robert, Roberto, and everyone's favorite, Party Bob. I met the women he dated, but no one ever felt right for my man over here until I met Natalie. We met her for the first time, and driving home, me and my wife looked at each other independently and said, "Oh yeah, she's fantastic." And the reality is that Party Bob is a sensitive soul. And Natalie has a genuine kindness that I think makes them great together.
I love you. So pretty, baby.
Thank you. Oh my gosh.
Is it sharp?
You look so nice.
You look beautiful, babe.
Thank you.
I like your dress. It came out good.
Thank you.
Good evening, and welcome to this truly happy occasion. We are here to celebrate a great moment in the lives of Bobby and Natalie, to give recognition to the worth of beauty and love, and to add our best wishes to the words which shall unite them in marriage.
Natalie, you have been the sun of joy, care, and endurance, lighting my path in a world sometimes uncertain. With you, I know the path. I see our future, and I see our love grow. I know that your heart, resilience, and selflessness will always comfort me in times of hardship. I will also be that sun to you as well.
In between the everyday little moments, we experienced disappointment, heartbreak, loss. At every turn, we chose to love each other and support each other, and we could do it because we had each other, and that's how I knew that this relationship was built to last a lifetime. You never questioned me or tried to change me. We accept each other fully for who we are, and for that, I'm so thankful. I can't wait to continue this with you forever. I love you.
I commit to you that I'll never cease loving you. I'll always be there for you when life is at times dark. We will shine brighter together in all storms and all uncertainty. I love you, and I always will.
Inasmuch as Natalie and Bobby have consented together in this ceremony to live in wedlock, and have witnessed their vows in the presence of this company by the giving and receiving of rings, I now pronounce by the authority invested in me, in accordance with the laws of the state of Texas, that they are married as husband and wife. Congratulations, you may kiss.
So Party Bob, because you married such a smart, sophisticated woman, I think you need a new nickname. I now dub thee Classy Cocktail Hour Bob. We can workshop it a bit.
Let me know what you're working with. I wanna know what you like and how you like it. Let me know, won't you let me in? I wanna know how you move.
Please raise a glass to the couple. Cheers.